Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you for being here. Slap on a like, hit the bell button and the subscribe button, whatever. I want to talk about the bull run and the bear market. It's not even here. Shut up. Honestly, stop listening to the likes of Supo and freaking whoever else is around these days. I don't even know. Calling, oh, it's a bull run, guy. It's not. Right. Let's look at some fundamentals. Just because an altcoin's gone up a little bit over a period of time doesn't mean it's a bull run. Possibly an alt season, yes, but the fundamentals are usually it's found a bottom. So looking at this little clip here of a dog falling off a chair, you will see quite instantly what happens. People will ride into the channel, they will then fall off it pretty freaking hard. It happens all the time. I'm going to mention one example that I mentioned a few days ago, which was Theta. I bought into Theta early, I got out early because this is kind of what has happened with it. Now, if I just go into Theta here, you'll probably chuckle. Yeah, guys, as soon as things happen, and as soon as like the fundamentals are now over, and people have bought into the hype of it, and they've been riding that trend follow up all the way, it fucking dumps hard. So just be very mindful. Now, this went all the way to 17 cents. It is now at 12. It's a big loss, and people they buy up at these points. Now this is a blue sky breakout. It's brilliant. It's an all-time high for Bitcoin value for Theta in a bear market. That's fucking good. But people always have that prejudice that you can't make money in a bear market. You fucking can. You just need to know how. Educate yourself. So one rule that you need to do and follow, and write this down right now, is learn. Education is freaking vital if you want to survive in any financial market. It is the exact same as a stock market, this, guys. It is freaking just smaller. That is it. It's the same thing. It works in the same way. That the technicals are pretty much the same. It's just more volatile. Companies have supply and demand. When people are demanding that asset, they're going to buy it. If there's not enough going around, or it's getting quite congested, the price goes up because people want it, and it creates price movement. That's it. It's simple. It's obvious. However, when you look at these hype stuff, look at the correct news. Don't look at an article that's just came on right now. Don't just go, ooh, CoinDesk just mentioned this, I'm going to buy. Fuck off. That probably has already been mentioned a load on Twitter, Reddit, Medium, I don't know, Steam it, whatever. It's probably been mentioned by people, social influencers, people that have been talking about it on the likes of social networks. That VeChain's about to announce a partnership with a big Japanese company. What do you know? It started to go up 5%. It's up 10%. It's up 9%. It's up 10%. It's up. Oh, what? Why is it going up? Why do you think? But why does it drop when the news is out? Why do you think? Use your head, honestly, trust me. So, when you're looking at these sort of things, look at the future, look at the roadmaps of coins. Theta announced in January. Mainnet is happening on such a date, at such a block, or whatever. It started to trend 3 days later on the daily time frame. That is a vital indication that people are buying into it. So, same with Litecoin, right? We'll look at Litecoin as an example. If you're calling for a bull run, you need to, one, allow it to be supported by the moving average 200 on the daily. That is indication of a bullish period. I personally believe, not financial advice, Litecoin will do well this year. It'll probably be one of the best coins this year. Why? Halving. They're going to go from 12.5 Bitcoin. No, they're going to go to 12.5 Litecoin, sorry, in mining rewards from 25. That's a big deal. So it's already went from 50, now 25, so we go to 12.5. Okay, so historically we know to a decent degree that it creates scarcity. It creates a supply and demand because people want an asset that is now becoming more rare. Use this to trade and invest with, okay? Trust me, it works. A fucking treat. People always buy at the tops. Okay, that isn't a top. Personal opinion, I think that is still a very good investment opportunity pre-halving. But what people will do is on the 26th of August or whenever it's happening, they will buy then. For some fucking weird reason, they just buy then. I don't know why, they just do it. But the time to buy an asset when things are going to happen in a couple of months' time is now. You accumulate on the dips or you trade it. You can trade it on the 4 hour time frame. Right? Go on the 4-hour time frame and use a simple crossover method. Use either the moving average 20 or the EMA 55. When it's above it, you buy. When it goes below it, you sell. All you do when you sell, you're protecting your ass. If it comes down to this point here, you're going to gain a position. Okay, just keep doing that. The more Litecoin you have, for example, the better your chances are. So if you're listening to a YouTuber, Superman, listen to me, I'm better obviously. Don't take the advice with an absolute certainty. Always do your own research. Even if I'm saying it, even if whoever's saying it, doesn't matter if they've had success in the past, it can be wrong. What you need to do as an investor is look with your eyeballs. Go and have a little look yourself. Verify the facts and check them. Okay? If it's wrong, don't bother. Doesn't matter. There's always opportunities. So in terms of me moving forward, I think the future of cryptocurrency is very, very good. Under the hood, the bear market has actually helped us out a lot. It showed that projects do survive. So if I just look at Theta, right, and the reason why I'm saying this is because there's been a lot of good coins, and I want to just do a little bit of reasons why. So this has been trending up for a while. I bought it on the 7th of February. I bought it when it was already an established trend. I got it quite late, I'll be honest with you. I got in on here. This pullback I got in, okay? The reason why I got in quite late was because I missed the news. I missed it, and I had a look at it and I thought, wow, this is a freaking good coin. This is going to do well. And it did. Ooh. I got out at 3,000 sats. Now I could have got out a lot later. As you can see, it freaking went ballistic. But my gain from here to like up here was 64%. That is a lot of money in a bear market. Well, in terms of if you're a property developer or an investor in property, or you're getting interest from the bank, you're never going to get 64% in 20 days. You're not. It's a freaking awesome investment. So yeah, winner chicken dinner, doesn't matter. Now people look at that and go, oh, that's not that good, is it? Oh, open your eyes, guys. This is freaking in a bear market. It's awesome. Now, in terms of where it did go, it went further, we know. So even if I did it from I bought at 2,000, give or take, and it went all a bit. Look at that. It's monumental, guys. It's like stupid. You'd be happy with 100%. You'd be happy if you put £1,000 in and you got £1,000 back in 21 days, wouldn't you? You'd be questioning, why the fuck did we do that? Yeah, people don't do that. Now let's look at Engine. This is where it gets fun. Now these deals, I call them deals because they're awesome. They are easy to find. Why? News and fundamental analysis helps massively. Don't always trade up the technicals. Yeah, do it. But trust me, if you were looking at that chart then, you would never be in your wildest dreams be putting a Fibonacci extension on there and going, well guys, I think we're going to go up to, what? You wouldn't. It would not be possible, okay? Especially from this sideways action. So, as soon as that wallet came out, it pulled back, cracking entry. But obviously you don't know what's going to happen. You just don't know. But the fundamentals are this. Good news on a coin that's on its arse is going to make it move because of liquidity and volume. It's not had it in a while. You know, it's like a lot of things. If you haven't had it for a while, say for example you're drinking, you've not had it for a while, you drink a bit, you get very, very drunk quickly. It's kind of like crypto. These have been suffocated with volume. They've been sold off. All of a sudden it just goes bang, okay? So please be mindful of that. But do not buy on these. I know people like, shit you know, bought at the top of that because they thought it was a good investment. Alright then. So for some reason they thought 600% rise in a coin was a fucking great investment. Honestly, I just do not believe what goes through people's heads. So, nearly 600. I think it was in fiat. I think it definitely was in fiat. But that's crazy, isn't it? That is absolutely monumental. So I hope this video has helped in terms of you emotionally not getting involved in the coins. Now, I want to mention two more things. Don't buy at the top of a fucking coin and do your own freaking research and have a little look, right? There's plenty of opportunities like this all over the place, okay? I want to give you one more, okay? Now, not the greatest coin in the world. Raven coin. Again, it just hit a bottom. And all of a sudden, boom, bit of news, bit of fundamentals came out, off it went, right? Now, if you put $1,000 in now, okay, or you already had 1,000 in there, look at that. Your portfolio looks a hell of a lot better. Just sell. Sell at the top somewhere. Sell up here when you think, you know what, guys, that daily candle's looking pretty crap. There's a bit of a double top there. It's crossed over. I'm getting right out of here. Just do it, right? Because the whales who are accumulating, they do this all the time. When a coin pops, they sell, they rebuy back low, and they get more coins. Fundamentals are simple. Look at Ethereum, right? I know people that bought Ethereum when it was like $1, $2, pre-mine sort of shit. All they do whenever it popped up, went up to $1,600, whatever it was, crazy numbers, they sold. Of course they sold. Why do you think it dropped so much? Guess when they bought? $90, $100, $200. They bought at those regions. How many do you think they've got now? A fucking load. For the same price? Of course they're going to do it. So please do it. You're going to make the market if you do it. It's how the markets work. It's all emotion. It's all people's fears and greed. Use it, and please, obviously, if you've not done that so far, subscribe to my channel. Awesome having you here.